Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to do the real life review of the Spigen Thin Fit P case for the Samsung Galaxy Fold 3. So since this is a real life review, I will be using it for some time. So in this scenario I've actually used it for 1 month already, and then we'll be doing the review. So you will come to know about my experiences with it. I'll be telling you about the good points, the bad points, the pros and cons of this device, and who should be buying this. Now this is not exactly that expensive. So this the MRP on this is 3,899, but you can get it around 2,000ish, so which is actually cheap for the case, for Spigen cases, because the other case that I have, the Tough Armor Pro, is 8,000 rupees. So this is like quite cheap in comparison. But this has one added feature, which is you can put your S Pen on it. So it's got a holder for the S Pen, so we'll be looking at that and then talking about what to expect from this. So let's go ahead, see the unboxing process, and then talk more about it. Okay, so you've seen how to actually install this. So the installation process was quite easy. All you have to do is that sticker was already there. You just had to peel off the label from it and then just put the phone in and you're done. So let's talk about what's good about this first, and then we'll talk about the rest. So I like the way the S Pen actually fits in here. So it's quite easy to take out and quite easy to put it in. So no problems with that. I like that this actually protects the phone from all the sides. So if I am in the open mode, then this is completely protected. So whichever side that this falls, no issues. Like this, even like this, the case is actually a little raised, so this is going to protect a little bit, but not too much, because this cannot really hold in to the screen there. So that's a limitation, but anyways, it protects enough, and I hope you don't drop it like this while it's open. Now I especially like that this actually supports wireless charging. So I have other Spigen case also, in that I have a little bit of problem with the wireless charging. This one's thickness is not too much, so it does not interfere with my watch charging on it, so I'm able to charge my watch easily, no issues. And I actually like this part more than my other Spigen ones, because this one, even though it is protecting it, it's not too raised. So when I have to do when I am using gesture control, when I'm using swipe control instead of the buttons, then this one is much better. My other covers are a little more raised, so it does not detect my swipes. So that is something which I did not like, but in this, that is also good. Now one more thing I really like about this is that this area actually becomes a holder for me. Now generally in the closed format you can use it however you want, no issues, but when it's open, that's when you have problems with these phones, because it's mainly screen everywhere, so you might have problems holding it, so you will have to touch the screen. Here I hold the phone like this, so I'm not touching the screen anymore. So that S Pen area, this big area, I actually put my hand there and I hold the phone like this. So this is quite convenient. I do not drop my phone, I'm able to use my phone, and even if I remove my S Pen, I actually hold this like this and I can use it. So that's something I really liked. Now let's talk about what I don't like. Now the biggest thing that you might have a problem with is this part. So the front portion is actually longer than the back portion. So this is where a lot of people have rejected this cover. They don't want to use this cover because of that, because it makes it uneven. And what this, I mean, even though this is a good solution for the pen is safe and everything, but the fingerprint reader, the power button, the volume control is also over here. Now if you have big thumbs or small thumbs or whatever, if you want to access it, it's going to be difficult because the S Pen is in between, so you cannot access it like that because the S Pen is coming in between. You cannot go there. So when I actually have to unlock my phone, I have to push this like that, so this actually opens a little and then I unlock it. So that is something which is very inconvenient, especially when you are outside and then you have to keep. So what I end up doing is I hold the phone with both hands and then unlock it. I keep doing that. So that's something which I did not like. So even the volume keys, I will have to put my hand right down like that and then use it like that. So it's not very convenient. I've gotten used to it now, but it's not a good option. It's not convenient at all. Now let's talk about protection. So this is actually covering from all the sides. So if I open it and I drop it, no matter which side, no issues because it's covering from all the sides. But if I close it, then my hinge is completely exposed. And the other problem is, if this falls this way, the force goes onto the front panel, not on the back. So it's not evenly distributed. So the front panel will take the entire thing, and that might give the hinge a little bit of jerk. So that's something that I'm concerned about, this part and this part. Other than that, no issues. I actually like this cover a lot because the S Pen is always there for me. The only real problem that I'm having with this is this part, which is exposed, which keeps me concerned. I keep I'm always on guard that if this phone falls, it should not fall on this side. So other than that, I have no issues. Everything else is just nitpicking. Even this is okay for me now, since I've been using it for so long. Now I've gone used to doing this. The phone automatically opens and I keep doing that, but I've gone used to it. But if you have bigger thumb than mine, you might have problems. If you have bigger fingers, you might have problem. Now all in all, what do I feel about this case? For the price, this is actually quite good. One of the best S Pen holders. Now in case you want case where it holds S Pen, there are other covers also which have Velcro option, which actually goes over here, or which the Samsung one, the original Samsung ones have at the back. You can actually put it there, but that keeps the pen completely separate. So the pen can be sometimes the pen can hit and come off, so it will be a hindrance for you when you're putting it in the pocket. It will be bulging out over there, so it's not sleek. This is sleek. Even though the design is a little weird, but as you use it, you get used to it, and when people actually see this, it actually attracts them, and they actually want to know how is this actually made, what is this design all about. So it's actually quite unique. So I like it. The only concern I have is the hinge protection. Other than that, I'm okay with everything. Now, if you want to see the same video in a different language like Hindi or Malayalam, I will be putting the link for that in my description. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.